Hey everybody, welcome back to McLovin Moto. On today's episode, I want to walk you around my 2015 BMW R1200RTP police motorcycle. This is my work machine. It's got about 23,000 miles on it. I have ridden it since it was new. Before this, I had a 2009 BMW R1200RT. This one's quite a bit different. This is the first generation of water-cooled. It also has a wet clutch, so it's a little bit different than the old one. But I wanted to walk you around it, explain a few things about it, and give you an opportunity to take a look at it. A couple things you'll notice: I covered up some of the badging as far as where I work with some black tape. Just try to keep them out of my employer out of my my videos. So that's covered up. Also, you'll notice that it's got some tubing, some rubber tubing on the crash bars. That's because it got pressed into service this week at motor school, because my riding partner needed to borrow it for about a half a day, and so we covered up the crash bars so that if it did get dropped, it wouldn't screw up the crash bars. So you'll notice the rubber, it's not normally on there, it's coming off as soon as we're done up here, but that's one thing you will notice. So let's take a walk around this bike and check it out. If you wouldn't mind, please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you find my content interesting and or entertaining. I appreciate that. It really helps grow my channel. And down in the description, you'll find links to my Amazon affiliate links. I get a little bit of money on each sale that comes through that way. It doesn't cost you any more to buy from them, but it does help my channel. Anything to help me grow I would greatly appreciate it. Just trying to continue to make awesome content for all of you, and I hope that you enjoy. So let's take a walk around this motorcycle. All right, so here's my bike. I just want to walk you around and show you some of the things about it. First of all, it is factory from BMW with the light package and the crash bars and the sirens. It has a rifle mount here at the back that you can see right there. That is for a short-barreled AR-15. It mounts in that bag. Here in Oregon, it gets wet and nasty, and so we protect it with the bag. It does have emergency lights on the rear. This is for a flashlight and a baton. This is a radar mount for moving radar. We do have moving radar on these bikes, so as I'm driving towards people, it's showing their speed up on the front, up on the dash. I'll show that to you in a minute. Like I said, see the tubing. We cover the crash bars with tubing for motor school, so that if the bike goes down, it doesn't just wreck shop on our crash bars. There's the front cone for the radar. See, it's BMW R1200RT. In the back here, this is where all the radio gear goes, and the radar unit. I'll open that for you here. I got my jacket in there right now, but that houses all the radio gear, the police radio, also the guts for the radar unit. Those all go in this rear trunk. I also put my laptop in there, used to from time to time. I would store it in there. Let's see, what else? Let's go up to the dash here. So on the dash, we've got, this is the radar unit here, made by Stalker. Moving radar. This is the controller for said radar. There's our police radio. I plug into the bike. Here. It goes up to my portable radio and then plugs into my helmet so I can talk. There's buttons here to run the radio and the PA. And then this side over here has the siren and the lights. That's how those are run. It does have ports to plug in for power here. Down here we have a siren on both sides. They are freaking loud. I don't run them too often just because of how loud they are. Just run them when I need to, pretty much. This is a LiDAR holder, or I'm sorry, this is my radar holder. It's not in there right now. It's back at home because of training. Don't want it to fall out or get damaged. So yeah, pretty awesome machine. Obviously you can look up the specs as far as what they produce power wise. I'm not going to go through all that, but I did want to show you kind of how it's set up, what's on it, what we use. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer those. Like I said, it does have right around 23,000 miles. I have had to put a clutch in it at 20,000, but then again, if you've watched some of my other videos, it does get used pretty hard, especially in training. And actually, I was going to show you this. Check out this tire. This tire was not new when I got here, but fairly new. And look at how much rubber has been scraped off the side of that tire. I don't know if you can see it with the sun. Let me turn the bars here. Yeah, look at that tire's shot. I'm gonna need a new one when I get home. So put some wear on that sucker for sure. I think my back one actually looks pretty good. Yeah, it's brand new and it's got a lot of rubber left. But anyway, let me know what you think. If you have questions, put them in the comments. If there's something that I didn't go over that you wanted to see, I'd be happy to answer your questions. Appreciate you coming along to watch my video. Thank you for your time, and I will see you again next time. Should I turn on the lights for you? Let's turn on the lights. There's the front. There's the rear.